Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Blender add-ons in user settings for continuity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To backup your Blender add-ons in user settings, start by launching Blender on your computer. Once Blender is open, navigate to the top left corner and click on the Edit menu. From the drop-down, select Preferences to open the Preferences window. In the Preferences window, look for the File Paths tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will see various paths related to your Blender settings and add-ons. To find your add-ons, scroll down until you see Scripts. Click on the folder icon next to the Scripts path. This will open your File Explorer, displaying the directory where Blender installs add-ons. In this directory, select all the folders or files related to the add-ons you want to backup. Copy these selections and paste them into a designated backup folder on your computer. Next, return to the Preferences window and navigate to the Save and Load tab. Here, you will find the option to save user preferences. Locate the Save Preferences button and click on it to ensure your current settings are stored. Now, close Blender to proceed with backing up your user configuration file. Open your File Explorer and type in the following path: %aptita%\blender foundation\blender followed by your specific. Inside this folder, look for a directory that matches your current version of Blender. Open it, and you will find a folder named config. Inside the config folder, locate the userpref.blend file. This file contains all your user settings, including interface layout and preferences. Copy the userpref.blend file and place it into your backup folder alongside the add-ons. Once you have both the add-ons and user settings backed up, you can close the File Explorer. Your Blender add-ons and user settings are now securely backed up. To restore them in the future, simply reverse the process by copying them back to their original locations. With these steps, you can ensure continuity in your Blender experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.